amazing location and value. This home is within walking distance to beautiful parklands. And transport, shops and schools are all close by. The home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And there is plenty of off-street parking. The function of the kitchen is enhanced by a scullery. This home has a dedicated office or study. And it's also kept cool in summer with ducted air. It comes with large spaces for family living, as well as a workshop for the tools. Add to that a fenced swimming pool. Looking for a home that is close to everything important? Perfect for a safe and secure lifestyle. Email the agent now to learn more.